this is the eye look once I put on, oh my gosh, my hair is stuck in my eyelash. Hey y'all, it is me, KeriKontours. I am back, honey. It's been a minute, so we're just gonna do something a little cute, okay? So mainly, I wanna just focus on the eyes. So I'm gonna skip all the face stuff for you guys. Like, you don't have to watch all of that. And we're gonna get right into it. This is a Dose of Colors, medium to full coverage foundation in 133 dark. I think it might be a smidge too dark, but I use concealer, so it doesn't really matter. I'll lighten the places back up. This concealer that I'm about to use is the Juvia's Place I Am the Kingdom, I believe. Concealer in 10, which is a good color for me. So I'm just gonna go in, and I'm not gonna waste y'all time today. Like, we're not gonna go through every single step. Y'all just gonna see me come back, and I'm gonna be like how they do on Instagram. Woo! Wow! Ooh! I hate that. So yeah, so you guys are just gonna see that. And then I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchsticks in Espresso to contour. BRB. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. We're actually gonna start off with Hypnotic. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but that's that color there. About to use my Makeup Shack brush that I just got. It's a pointed brush here. I'm really just gonna put this into my crease. Then I'm gonna take the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Big wig. I'm just gonna put that slightly above the last shade we used. Then I'm gonna take this brush here from Makeup Shack. I'm just gonna blend this out just a little bit. Just blend it together and blend it out. I'm gonna stop there. Then I'm going to grab, once again, the 3503 Morphe palettes. I'll pick up this color. What color is that? In the color Unstoppable. Into Unstoppable. I'm just patting that just around a little bit. LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Honey. And we're gonna put a little bit of Supreme on my lid. I'm gonna put it here. It's actually kind of nice. Pink lip. Is it? I can't tell. Maybe. I don't know. I won't know until we're done. Just a little bit. Blend it out a little bit if we can, you know. Okay. Well, that's good. So this is the eye look once I put on, oh my gosh, my hair is stuck in my eyelash. Once I put on the Makeup Shack Dubai lashes And so yeah, I put a little bit of Kat Von D, which I'm finding out she's no longer Kat Von D. It's like something about vegan. Anywho, put a little bit of that on my lashes, the Go Big or Go Home mascara, and then pop these bad boys on and put a little bit of the Colored Rain Power Palette. That shadow I put right under my eyes, I put in my inner corner. So just want to give you guys the close up, and then I'll back up in a second. So yeah guys, that is the final look. On my lips I have Fenty Mademoiselle in Thick, and a little bit of Fenty, one of the gloss bombs, the mini gloss bombs from that set they had out for Christmas called Pretty Please. So yeah, so that's the final look. And then my liner is regular color popped, and some color from ColourPop. So that's all that I have today, guys. Let me know what you think. Like, rate, comment, share it with some friends. And this could be a cute little Valentine situation or whatever. Ignore my curls because they just, you know, they be doing whatever they want to do. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Peace.